So you have 80 million naira and you're wondering, should I buy in Ikeja? Should I buy in Lekki Phase 1? Come, let me show you what you can buy with 80 million naira here in Eleko, Ibeju-Lekki. Four-bedroom fully detached in Lekki Phase 1 is selling for 500 to 600 million naira, and in Ikeja is selling for 350 million naira to 500 million naira. And here in Eleko, you can get all that with 80 million naira, starting with initial deposit of 15 million naira. This is what real estate is all about. Buying ahead of the curve before the crowd moves in. If you are serious about owning a fully detached bungalow in Lagos, this is the reason why you need to connect with me today so you can own your unit here in Eleko. This is not just a building, this is a lifestyle, this is comfort, this is luxury. This estate is not far from the Pan-Atlantic University, it's not far from Eleco Junction. CARCASS luxury place is not far from here. There are schools, there are hospitals. This is a beautiful place to start a family, or if you're thinking rental property, connect with me today to own a unit here. As you can see, this is a 4-bedroom, fully detached bungalow, spacious, all ensuite with a fitted kitchen. What are you waiting for? Connect with me today. Lock into AY Luxury Bungalow today with initial deposit of 15 million naira. My name is Funke, your trusted and reliable realtor. Let me help you bring your real estate dreams to reality.